So from here, it's the most polluted place in Asia, and the methane amount is so high that can observe from the space, and you will have an extreme breathing experience here. Very bad smell. The reason is in both side, in my right, also in my left side, there is a lot of bricks factory here, and they actually does not maintain any laws of the environment. As a result, this area's air is the most polluted air all of, not only in Bangladesh, in Asia. And this area is polluted not only for the bricks factory, also there is a garbage spot where all the trashes from Dhaka South City Corporation actually dumped here.